Hey, I know you've been through things that changed you. Maybe you've been hurt by people you trusted. Maybe life took something from you that you can never get back. And now, when you look at yourself, all you see are the cracks. You feel like you've been broken beyond repair, like your dreams have been crushed, your confidence stolen, and your hope is hanging by a thread. But I need you to hear me. Even broken wings can fly, not in spite of the cracks, but because of them. The world will tell you that only the perfect survive, that you have to be whole to be worthy, that you have to have it all together to be loved. But life has taught me something different. Sometimes it's the broken bird that flies the highest, because it's learned how to fight against the wind, the pain you don't show. You've learned to hide your pain well. You laugh at the right times. You say I'm fine even when you're not. You've mastered the art of looking okay on the outside while falling apart on the inside. And the world claps for you because they think strength is about not showing pain. But the truth? Strength is living through the pain and still waking up tomorrow. Your scars don't make you weak. They are proof that you've been to war with life, and you're still standing. Yes, maybe you've lost parts of yourself along the way, but the fact that you're still here, still breathing, still trying, is nothing short of powerful. Broken doesn't mean useless. Somewhere along the way, you started to believe a lie, that if you're broken, you have nothing to give, that if you failed, you can't try again, that if you've been hurt, you can't love again. But think about this. A cracked seed still grows. A chipped cup can still hold water. A bird with a torn wing can still find the wind. Your brokenness doesn't disqualify you. It makes you human. It makes you relatable. It makes you real. The people who inspire others aren't the ones who never fall. They're the ones who fall, break, and still rise again. The quiet rebuilding. Healing is slow. It's not loud. It's not pretty. And most people won't even notice it's happening. It's choosing to get out of bed when everything in you wants to stay under the covers. It's going for a walk instead of letting the sadness trap you. It's speaking kindly to yourself when your mind wants to tear you apart. You don't have to rebuild yourself overnight. You don't have to have the plan figured out. You just have to keep showing up for your own life. And one day, without even realizing it, you'll look back and see how far you've come. Not because the pain is gone, but because it no longer controls you. Finding the wind again. Flying again after being broken isn't about pretending you're whole. It's about learning to use what's left. Maybe your trust is fragile now. That's okay. Maybe your hope is small. That's okay too. You don't need perfect wings to catch the wind. Start with what you have. Start with the tiniest bit of strength left in you. Start with the belief that even if today feels heavy, tomorrow might feel lighter. The sky is still there. The wind is still moving, and it's waiting for you. The beauty in broken flight. Here's the secret most people don't tell you. The most beautiful flight isn't the one that looks perfect. It's the one that wasn't supposed to happen. When you've been told you'll never make it, and you do. When you've been told you're too broken, and you rise anyway. When you've been told you'll never heal, and you laugh again. Your journey won't look like anyone else's. Your flight won't be smooth or graceful, but it will be real. And real is more beautiful than perfect. You still have sky left. So here's my reminder to you. You may feel broken. You may feel tired. You may feel like the best parts of you are gone. But the truth is, you still have sky left. There are still moments waiting for you that will make you smile without thinking. There are still people you haven't met yet who will see your worth instantly. There are still dreams in you that haven't even started to take shape. You are not done. Your story is not over. And even if your wings are broken, you can still fly. One day, you'll look back and realize that the cracks didn't stop you. They gave you the courage to rise higher than you ever thought you could. Please like, comment the video, and subscribe the channel. It will motivate me.